Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamora Engineer desu. In this video, we will solve problem number 7 under conic section circle. So let us explain. So problem number 7 is written at the lowest line on your screen, the lowest portion. Okay, the center of the circle is at. The center located at 5 and 2, while the x-intercept, okay, x-intercept is 5. The x-intercept is 5. Okay, x-intercept is 5. What do we mean by x-intercept? And why it is important? Why it is important information? Look, we already solved problem number 4. If you can take a look at the middle of your screen, we have problem number 4. Okay? And in the problem number 4, we use a point lying at the intersection of an axis. And that way, if you can recall, problem number 4, we use point, point 0,3. The point at the coordinate 0,3. Meaning, 0 is the x coordinate, 3 is the y coordinate. What is that point? That is the point on the y-axis, y-intercept. That is a point in the y-intercept. Okay? Meaning, it intersects the y-axis at point 0,3. Okay? Okay? At that point. And also, we made mention of the other point that also intersects the y-axis, which is 0, -1, as you can see in your graph, okay? In your graph here. So, that is y-intercept. Now, we are given x-intercept. What is the difference? Let's look at the intersection of the x-axis with the circle. What is the intersection? Where the circle and the x-axis intersect in this given problem 7, number 7, the x-intercept is 5. So, the circle intersects the x-axis at 5, at point 5. Okay? So y-intercept is 5. X-intercept. No? So let us write down. So okay, center 5, 2, and x-intercept is 5. Okay, if you cannot imagine, let us draw a graph and count the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is x-axis. This is x, and this is y. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So we just need 4 because the center is at 5, 2. This is 5, and this is 2. So the intersection of these two, so we have the center here. We have the center here. Okay? We have the center at this point. This is 5, 2. 5, 2. 5, 2. Okay? Okay? That is important. And we have this center, and we have the circle here. And the x-intercept is 5 here. This is the x-intercept. Therefore, the circle is going to be like this. Okay? So, please assume that this is a very beautiful circle. Okay? Please assume that this is a perfectly drawn circle. Okay? Please assume. So, this is the intersection, meaning x-intercept. Intersection of the circle and the x-axis. That is what we mean by x-intercept. And what is that? 5. 5 is the x-intercept of the given problem. Okay. Why is that important? We are always showing you, take note, we're always explaining to you that there are only 3 important information. What are the 3? Center, point P, and radius. Right? Going back to our graph or drawing. What can you say about this point? What is this point? Is this as a radius? No. Is this a center? No. This is actually point P. So this is point P. What is the point P? Here. What is the coordinates? That is 5 and 0 because it is lying on the x. So this is the coordinate 5 and 0. 5 and 0 because 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So this is 0. Why? Y is equal to 0 because it is on the ground. Okay? 0. This is x, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 0. So 0.50. What is the distance from the center to the point P? So, very direct, straightforward. The distance is equal to radius. Okay? And to get back to our concept, x-intercept is important because it is point P. This is point P. We are given x-intercept is actually point P. Why? Because it lies at the curve of the circle. That is the definition of point P. Okay? Point P is any point that is in the circle. So this point is in the circle. Therefore, this is point P. Okay? So that ends our discussion of concept. We are given center and point P, and therefore we can solve this problem. We can solve this problem more straightforward because we know the distance from the center to the point P. That is radius, and actually that is actually radius, but you can observe that the distance is just equal to 2. 0, 1, 2. Equal to 2. That is 2. Therefore, r squared is equal to 4. Okay, so, okay, I will show you. Okay, so this point from the center is equal to 2 because it is directly below the center. Point P is directly below the center. The distance is 2. 1, 2. Okay, so this distance is actually 2. Okay, so r is equal to 2. The radius is 2. Therefore, r squared is 4. Okay? Okay? Did you get it? Everyone get it? Okay. So since we know the r squared and we know hk, so we can immediately write down the standard equation. Okay? So what is the standard equation? Let us see. Let us use this. Okay? The standard equation is now going to be x minus, what is that? Center is 5, minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to r squared, which is equal to 4. This is our answer. So I will just wait for the video because audio is faster than video. So that is our technical problem actually. Our audio is faster than video, so this is our final answer. Because we have h and k. Our h is 5, our k is 2. As we can show here. Okay, we can show here center hk. And we already solved. R is equal to 4. Okay, R is equal to 4. And therefore, our answer for this problem number 7 is this one. Okay. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, additional explanation, please use our comment box below. Again, this is Dr. AP and see you on problem number 8.